Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a gunmetal blue cocktail. We're going to start with 0.75 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, 0.25 ounces of cinnamon syrup, 0.25 ounces of peach liqueur, half an ounce of Blue Curacao, and then an ounce and a half of Mezcal. Once we have all of our ingredients in there, we're going to add ice, and we're going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. Or until it's ice cold in your hand.
I noticed you used the singular hand.
Can't imagine why.
I don't know. Beats me. It's not gonna work. Here, I'll hold it and you smack it. There.
How is that going to work?
Punch it.
I have to hit it over here.
Oh. Oops. Oh, yay! Teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. All right. Now that that's over.
That was a mess.
That was a mess. All right. We are going to double strain since this is being served up. We don't want all those little ice chunks in there. We're going to let our mess strainer do its magic. Beautiful. What a gorgeous cocktail. And for once, it's not orange.
Sorry, I was thinking.
Oh. All right, for our garnish, we're going to use a dehydrated lime wheel and set it right in the center. How pretty. Yay. I almost clapped. That would have been really fun.
Yeah. Ooh, wow.
Yay.
Jump around.
All right, there we have our gunmetal blue cocktail. Of course, I'm going to taste it. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate it. 1, I would have one cocktail, move on to the next. 5, I would drink it all night long and hate myself in the morning. So let's see where we land today. I don't smell a whole lot, to be honest. I am a little stuffy, but ooh, interesting. I don't really know what the heck I taste. I mean, hang on, one more for science. I taste the mezcal for sure. I don't really taste the peach liqueur all that much. I get a hint of the cinnamon, but nothing overwhelming. I don't know. This one has befuddled me.
Oh,
I am befuddled.
you are befuddled.
I am. I really don't know what I taste. I'm super confused. It's a very good cocktail, but I have no idea what the heck I'm tasting. So, interesting. Okay. Solid cocktail. I just don't know what flavor exactly it is that I'm getting. So because of that, I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5, just because I really don't know what the heck I'm supposed to be tasting, nor do I taste anything. I do think if I had it at a bar, I would get a second one just because it is really easy to drink, but I have no idea what the heck I'm tasting. It's just my 2 cents. So 2 out of 5 for me, but I want to know what you guys think. So make sure you give it a try. The ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. And then like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts are on the cocktail. And this might be one that falls under the we're going to tweak it and try again later cocktail. Anyway, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers!